So I have created a brand new Etsy tool called the Niche Master, where you are able to find top selling products in micro niches on Etsy within a few short seconds. And it'll take you right over to Etsy, where you can see all the bestsellers and popular nows for this specific niche. And the great part about this is that I created this for you to use absolutely for free. So in today's video, I want to walk you through how to use the niche finder, how you can find top selling products within just a few seconds that can help you land the plane on items that are popular nows and bestsellers, and even help you create and redesign these products so that you can do extremely well, so you can focus on high quality products and find these niches that are selling extremely well. Again, I want to share this all with you coming up next. Again, this is my brand new Niche Master tool. You can get absolutely for free. If you do want to access this Niche Master tool, simply put in the comment section below the word niche. Again, put in the comment section below the word niche, and I'll make sure I send a special link over to you so you can go ahead and access this, as well as the free 30-minute training, as well as the Niche Master tool, help you find great designs to create and start selling and winning on Etsy. So again, make sure you put in the comment section below the word niche so I can send this over to you today. All right, so with that being said, this is the Niche Finder. Again, I created this tool because I want you to sell well. It's absolutely for free. Just simply sign up below. And you can go down and see that we have a couple of things here. You can find a Niche Finder. You can get into the free course that we have. Again, just several things you can do to help you make sales on Etsy. And if you do want to go further and faster, I do have my paid Etsy membership community. This is where I give my 80 video course series of how to sell on Etsy. I give you my creative prompt AI tools. We can get smart SEO tools. You get access to my AI design software where you can actually create high quality products, and tons of coaching, tons of templates that can be ready to use right now. And you can go into this too and find some more things that we offer, like daily trending prompts, live coaching calls, one-on-one coaching, and what have you. So again, if you do want to go further and faster, and you do want to be a part of my membership community, that is there as well. Again, price is going up soon on this. But again, if you do just want to find top selling products, this is why this is absolutely for free. So with that being said, I just want to share with you some top trending niches you should start creating for, how easy it is to use this tool, and how you can get started. So with that being said, we want to head over to find best selling products. Right now, we have 3 major product categories. Again, we're going to add more here. But again, this is just to help you get started. So we have t-shirts, we have sweatshirts and coffee mugs. If you want to see more product categories and find some more niches in those product categories, let me know down below. But we're going to start off with t-shirts here. And if you scroll down, you can see that we have multiple, what I call niche cards here. That's going to break down individually the micro niches for these specific areas. So for instance here, if I were to hover over to hobbies and interests, open this up, you can see that these are all of the micro niches that are selling well on Etsy. And the cool part about this is that if you click on this link, it's going to give you the direct access to Etsy, where it will only show you the popular nows and bestsellers. This is extremely helpful because most people would not even know to look up certain niches like book lover or game life or hiking trails or fishing life. But this is going to help you get that head start so you can see what's selling well. So again, we have a lot of different, what I call category niches here. But with that being said, we can go over to hobbies. I want to head over to a book lover. And when I open this up, you'll see that it's only going to identify the best selling products on Etsy for this particular niche. Again, the winner here is knowing the niche that is selling well, but going further to see all the best selling products here. So we can see this is covering the book lover t-shirt niche. And we can see all these things here are in some ways connected to the niche that we're looking for, book lover. But you can also see that every single product on here is a popular noun or a bestseller. And this is huge because if you have been creating products but not doing research, then you're probably designing in the dark and you're not looking at what is selling well to be a guideline in regards to what you need to create. And so this helps you identify just not what micro niche to target, but what designs in this micro niche that's selling well. And if I were you, I would go into the Niche Master, I'll open up a niche, and I would let every single listing be the stepping point in which I would create something different, maybe merge 2 things together, create something new, but definitely learn from the listings to see what is doing well. The books and coffee shirt is doing well. That's the bestseller. We can see this book shirt here where it says read more books is doing extremely well. And again, the list goes on and on. And you can see how easy it is really to be hyper focused in regards to this niche, to just recreate these listings one by one, maybe merge two of these things together to create something different. But again, it keeps you from creating things in the dark. It keeps you from just guessing what works. You can get into the niche master, find a micro niche that you would not have found on your own, and then jump into Etsy and see all these best selling products here that's doing extremely well. And again, if this niche has multiple listings on it, you can go to the next page. And again, even though we're on page 2, it's only going to show you the popular nows and bestsellers, which again is a game changer because you want to follow what is trending. You want to follow what is selling well now. And I will go in here and look at these listings, learn from them, and start seeing opportunities to create these type of products or trend merge these type of designs in here that can do extremely well. And all of these listings here are even further micro niches we can go into further to do further research in. Like this one here where it says retro book lover, we can definitely go into that one a little bit further. This one says easily distracted by cats and books. Again, we can go into that micro niche even further to see what is doing well. Like this one here where it says book lover fall. Again, we can go into that niche and do the same thing. So again, really easy to use, really easy to find these top selling products, really easy to get into these micro niches and even go further. So again, if you were thinking about what should I create, what niche should I get into, what is selling well, again, an evergreen niche to get into is the book lover niche, right? Get into that could be extremely well. So that is available for us in the niche finder. Again, we can go in here as well and see what else is doing well. We can go into camping adventure. And again, when we do this, it's going to pull only the best selling products from Etsy. And again, everything you see here is selling. Everything you see here is a popular now and bestseller. But again, it makes it really easy for you to get to these niches because again, of the niche master that's here. So again, same thing as I said before, what I would do, I would go line by line and redesign, recreate, merge these two designs together, create something new. Again, I use my Creative Prompt AI tool to actually do that. As you can see, there's a ton of AI designs that my membership community has already created, which is a very powerful tool, which is our AI generator that we can plug in any design image and get a prompt from here. And this just makes it really easy for you to copy and paste any mock-up image you find, either on a t-shirt, sweatshirt, get that creative prompt and redesign this and start creating this yourself. And so again, combining this with the niche master, I think is a game changer. But again, we go in here a little bit further. And again, all of these listings we can learn from, explore their text styles, their font styles, their layout with the element and the text, and see how they organize that. We can go in here and see if they're offering personalization, if they're offering certain popular phrases on this that we can do that, or maybe placement. And then we can go even further here and say, okay, what are the micro niches even within this space that's doing well? Like this one here that says 90s national parks. Again, we can go into this micro niche even further. Like this one here where it says custom camp bachelorette. Again, we can go in here and research this even further, down a little bit more, and we can see this niche is girls camping rainbow t-shirt. Again, all of these are popular now as bestsellers. I'm going to stress that over and over again because again, on Etsy, sometimes you might do product research with other tools and you may not find these micro niches. You may not even know these micro niches are even available. You might find products that are not bestsellers and popular nouns. But again, this is going to give you that direct access there and show you all the things that's selling well. So again, if you want to get access to the niche finder, simply put the word niche in the comment section below and I'll send you that special link to access that. But if you were thinking about, again, what products to get into, definitely get into the camping niche. Definitely go into these specific micro niches even further. Vintage camping bachelorette type of t-shirts here. We can go into cabin trip bachelorette. We can see a common theme here with these best-selling designs. I would go into the lake life type of designs here. Again, that's doing extremely well. Again, this type of vintage 90s 80s retro type of vibe with the national parks is also good as well. Again, a lot of opportunities to design here, and definitely combining seasons with this niche is also helpful. You can do this for the fall, for Christmas. Again, in any type of season you can think about, you can definitely merge these two things together. So again, we're talking about exploring the camping niche. We can go down further and further into this, even to the next page here, just to see some things we can redesign and recreate. All right, so let's go into another area. Maybe we'll get out of the hobbies and interests. Let's head over to pets. Again, we're still in t-shirts here. We'll head over to pets. As you can see, there's a lot of micro niches been getting to. We have cat mom, cat dad, right? Rescue dog mom, pet parent, horse girl, all different type of ones we can get into. Again, if we go in here and go to crazy cat lady shirt, we can go in here. And again, what I would do, redesign, recreate, learn what is selling well here. Look at the first line of the listing to see even further, right? What is the micro niche? And again, this will definitely be a space that I would encourage you to create. A lot of these products have done well multiple times over. So this is definitely showing some evergreen product niches here, but definitely one I would encourage you to go into with the niche finder and make. One of the ones I like to get into is a sport niche here. We can go into, again, soccer mom and see what is selling well here. And we can see all of these particular products are popular now. We can go in here and see the designs that are selling well, the style, the placement, if they're offering personalization. We can go here and recreate and redesign this here even further. Again, this is the opportunities Niche Master gives to you just to find some things that you wouldn't necessarily think about creating, and then go in there further, see what is selling well, what's doing well, what are some gaps in the market, how can you remix those designs. Definitely jump into our Creative Prompt AI tool to really get some outstanding designs like you see here. Again, this is just pretty much standard, right? When it comes down to uploading a product, having the AI remix this to be something different, and then it gives you a different result. And then you can go here and remix this further if you want. Again, you can set this to be perfect for a t-shirt design. Again, you can set this as a t-shirt product, a sweatshirt product, a coffee mug product. You can set this as a digital product, which is, again, one of the main things I teach my members to do, sell these also as digital products, just not as physical on-demand products. And you can just see how easy that is to find a niche that's selling well and to bridge this over into our Creative Prompt tool. And so, again, we were able to find that because we were able to go through holidays and seasons. Again, we went over to Thanksgiving crew, and then this is where we were able to find those Thanksgiving niches, those Thanksgiving designs, all those phrases and font styles and art styles that's doing well. And again, it's just showing you all the best sellers and popular now. So there's no question if these items are selling, they are, but it's all about how can you remix them, redesign them, and even deliver some things that's not visible here to sell well. So like this one here, obviously the best selling product here says Gobble, right? If I were to remix this and redesign this, again, I wouldn't have known that the Gobble Thanksgiving type of design is selling well, but the niche finder helped me get there. I can simply copy this thumbnail image for this product here. I can head over to the AI generator within our Creative Prompt tool. I go ahead and paste this in here, and it's going to give me a complex and creative prompt just for the design itself. And then from there, I can go and remix this to say something different, maybe a different word, maybe a different element, maybe a different art style, but it's definitely helping me not start from scratch. As you can see here, a very creative and complex prompt here that we gathered from this thumbnail image. We can go here and enhance with ChatGPT, which is ChatGPT 5, which we had that update. And this is going to just make it perfect for a on-demand product. We can go ahead and generate and see what we gather as a result. And you can see what we were able to gather as a result. Again, we can go in here, change this up to be different. And again, that's why this remix prompt area is so important. So we can go in here and change from the original prompt. And we can say maybe change out the word gobble to be just a whole Thanksgiving phrase. That's what we say here. Change out the word gobble and add in a different phrase. Focus on Thanksgiving, but keep the same style. And again, that's all we're going to do here. Again, we found the niche. We found the design that sold. We went in here, grabbed the remix prompt. Again, this is what we gathered here, but we want to go a little bit different in regards to our design. We put in our remix prompt, and we're going to hit apply. And this is what we were able to gather as a result. So we're going to go ahead and hit generate from and do remix here. And I think that came out extremely well. That's totally different from where we started off with the shirt saying gobble. Obviously, that's selling well. That's doing well. We found that from the Niche Master. But then we went further, got the prompt, and just changed the overall text and was able to get this one here where it says give thanks. Again, still bringing in the cartoon style of the turkey, but bring in a different phrase, different word, and that same art style that we know to do extremely well. And again, that's just how easy it is to change these designs up. Again, started off with this one here and was able to bring in something totally different here. And this could be a bundle set you create for digital products. It could be a lineup of t-shirts you create that's focusing on different people in the family. Create matching t-shirts with this style with different type of words and phrases. Again, this can go a long way. So again, if you want to get access to the Niche Master, how we were able to find this, definitely put the word niche down in the description box below. If you do want to get access to the Creative Prompt tool and access to my community and get access to all the tools I was using to get things like this, again, make sure you check out the link with the Niche Master where we head over to education, and then you get into my SE membership community. Again, this price is going up soon, and I'm offering my 80 video course series for free, a part of this for a limited amount of time because I really want you to be successful. So if you want all this, again, make sure you jump into the Niche Master and get access to all of these amazing tools. As always, my friends, I hope this helps you grow, find amazing niches to create, and I can't wait to see what you design next. As always, my friends, I'll see you in the next video.